This is the ASUS ROG Phone 9, and ASUS claims it's the ultimate gaming phone, basically a portable console that just happens to make calls. But after using it as my daily driver for a week, I discovered something interesting. It's not just about raw power. There's one thing they don't really emphasize in the marketing that could make or break this phone for you. So, is this the best gaming phone money can buy, or is it overkill? Let's talk about it. ASUS ROG Phone 9 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The ASUS ROG Phone 9 is ASUS's latest flagship gaming smartphone, launched in late 2025 under its Republic of Gamers lineup. It's built specifically for hardcore mobile gamers, people who care about frame rates, cooling, and ultra-low latency more than slim bezels or camera zoom tricks. At its core, this thing packs Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon flagship chip, a 165Hz AMOLED display, up to 24 GB of RAM, and a massive battery. ASUS also doubles down on gaming features like ultrasonic air triggers and active cooling accessories. Price-wise, you're looking at premium flagship territory. This isn't for casual Candy Crush players. ASUS ROG Phone 9 Performance. In real-world use, this thing flies. Opening apps, multitasking between YouTube, Discord, and heavy games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile, there's zero hesitation. According to testing highlighted by High Tech Century and other early reviewers, the Snapdragon chip paired with advanced cooling keeps sustained performance incredibly stable. And that's the key, sustained performance. A lot of phones benchmark high but throttle hard after 15-20 minutes. The ROG Phone 9, I played for over an hour straight, max settings, high frame rate mode, and it barely got warm. ASUS's cooling system genuinely works. Frame drops were minimal and the experience stayed smooth. That 165Hz display also makes a difference. Even just scrolling Twitter or Instagram feels ridiculously fluid. In supported games, that ultra-high refresh rate gives you faster visual feedback, which, if you're competitive, absolutely matters. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this phone unique. First up, air triggers. These ultrasonic shoulder buttons built into the frame let you map in-game controls to physical touch zones. That means in a shooter, you can aim and fire without cluttering your screen. It sounds gimmicky until you try it, then it feels like cheating. Second, advanced cooling. ASUS pairs internal vapor chamber cooling with the optional Aeroactive cooler accessory. The benefit? You can game longer without throttling or burning your hands. Third, the Game Genie software suite. This lets you tweak performance profiles, block notifications mid-game, record gameplay, or even stream directly. It's incredibly customizable, and power users will love that level of control. Design and build. Angular lines, RGB logo on the back, bold accents, it's unapologetically flashy. If you like understated phones, this is not that. Build quality is solid though. Gorilla Glass front and back, aluminum frame, and surprisingly good weight balance considering the battery size. It feels hefty but not uncomfortable. One thing to note, it's big. This is a two-handed device for most people. But the side-mounted USB-C port, designed for comfortable landscape gaming, is a small but thoughtful touch that shows ASUS understands its audience. Battery life. Honestly, battery life is one of the highlights. With moderate use, social media, video streaming, messaging, I easily got through a full day and then some. With heavy gaming, you're still comfortably making it to bedtime. Fast charging is quick enough to top up in under an hour, depending on the charger you use. And because of the large battery, you're not constantly stressed about percentages dropping mid-match. Camera performance. Let's be real, this is not a camera-first phone. The main sensor performs well in good lighting. Photos are sharp, colors are punchy, and social media ready. But compared to something like a Galaxy S Ultra or iPhone Pro, it's not competing at that level. Pros. Insane sustained gaming performance. 165Hz ultra-smooth display. Useful air triggers and gaming software. Cons. Cameras are just average. Premium price tag. Final verdict. Look, if you're a competitive mobile gamer, someone who spends hours in high-performance titles, this is an absolute no-brainer. The cooling, air triggers, battery, and display combine into something that genuinely feels purpose-built. If you're a power user who just wants the fastest Android phone available, you'll love it too. But if you mostly browse, text, and snap photos, you're probably better off with a more balanced flagship that prioritizes camera and slim design.